How does behind-the-scene video help your brand? Customers want a more personal connection to the brand they do business with. This makes video a very powerful medium because you can speak directly with your target audience and forge a direct link. One of the best ways to do this is with a behind-the-scene video. Behind the scenes of what? If you run a business with a physical location, organize some type of video that shows the inner work of the company. For example, you could use footage of the team getting ready for the day with a spokesperson talking about always bringing the best product to the customer. A software company may show programmers hard at work behind the computer screen. People like to get the glimpse into the secret inner work of a business based on product or services. This should not be a home-style film of people working. Your video should ensure that everything looks interesting and professional at all times. Yes, if you have a casual workplace, you could certainly have some fun in the video and present a friendly face to the customer. The last thing you want is someone grumbling over their work or acting up in front of the camera. Things you should avoid in your behind-the-scenes video. Make sure the environment is clean and organized. Remove the chaos or you and your business will look unprofessional. If you are in your restaurant kitchen and it looked like a bunch of 5-year-olds were having a food fight a few minutes earlier, that's a big no-no. Your office is messy, don't show it in the video. Behind the scenes work for everyone. When you create this video, it is giving your audience a backstage pass to their favorite show. They get to feel more connected to the company they do business with, and you get a chance to create more interest. This is an excellent type of video to add in your media repertoire. A behind-the-scenes video is more work. It's an extra step, but it's one that is worthwhile. Those videos can be the difference between choosing you or your competitor. It is easier to make a purchase decision with something that we have seen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.